Rotolight LED Ring Light Kit, the best vlogging ring light of 2024. If you're a budding YouTuber, a creative content creator, or a makeup artist aiming for top-notch results, this kit could be a game changer for you. The Rotolight Ultimate Vlogging Kit has earned its reputation for superior light quality and sturdy build, making it an essential tool for content creators. Whether you're filming from home or on the move, the kit, complete with a lightweight tabletop tripod, ensures you're always ready to roll. Setting up your vlogging station is effortless with a Rotolight kit. Attach the light to your smartphone and shotgun microphone, not included, and you've got a portable, user-friendly vlogging setup. The award-winning RL48 ring light produces soft illumination, ideal for eliminating unflattering shadows and enhancing your video quality. With the included diffusion and makeup filters, you're guaranteed to look your best under any lighting conditions. The kit also includes color filters that allow you to adjust the lighting atmosphere to suit any time of day. A key feature of the Rotolight LED ring light kit is its internal filter system, housed within the LED lighter ND, skin, color, and minus green filters. This means there's no need for external filters, gels, or wedges to achieve the right brightness and color tone. Plus, all the filters are supplied by Lee, a trusted name in lighting, ensuring high-quality results. The LEDs in the Rotolight emit natural daylight at 5600K, making the light versatile enough for most shooting scenarios. Powered by 3 AA batteries, the light offers 4 hours of runtime when using Li-ion cells. The LED light's power output reaches 242 lux, 1000 lumens, and it features a color temperature of 5600K. However, if you prefer warmer tones, filters for 4100K and 3200K are included in the kit.